The night is burning bright underneath the city light.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. Today, this is another episode of Coffee and Review. And yes, I bought an actual mug on sale which has hot coffee written on it.
Oh my god! Wow!
I wish it wasn't blue, but whatever. Let's begin. तो आज हम कर रहे हैं review of the very up and hot movie K-pop Demon Hunters.
It's time.
हर एक K-pop फैंडम में जीने वाले आदमी, औरत, इंसान, व्यक्तित्व का फेवरेट मूवी. Even if it is the very hot and popping thing, there are also certain other things which it's getting negative attraction for. But we are going to review it nevertheless. I am a K-pop fan. I love to see the songs, hear the songs, and it is done by Sony Music, so it is way better. I mean, Sony knows what to do. Anyways, let's get moving to our review. Also, please don't mind me using my notes because, like, अगर आपने पहले के एपिसोड देखे होंगे, I was just rambling on and on and on and on. So इसके लिए मैंने notes लिखे हैं ताकि मैं भूल ना जाऊँ कि मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ in the midway of the sentence. Because I get a lot of brain farts. तो ये मेरी बनाई हुई कॉफी के मजे लेते हुए हम आगे बढ़ते हैं towards the review. So the movie, it starts very much from the history, obviously. कि the holy trinities, the female holy trinities, they would save the Hanwon by singing and killing demons and stuff like that, and by generation they would choose more and more holy trinities. Holy trinity. Yes. So the holy trinity. Guys, notes रखने के बाद भी इंसान को brain fart हो सकता है, ये बात याद रखें. So never think you are the only one who forgets in the middle of the presentation what you're presenting. I'm with you. Introvert culture be like. So, वो लोग by generation they would give like this task to the other trio and like so on so forth, and ऐसे करते करते Sunlight Sisters का group आता है who were like in the 90s the hot girl group, and उसमें से जो बंदी रहती है वो उसकी बच्ची होती है, but she like in mysterious circumstances wasn't available alive. I don't know how and what, but she survives like the daughter. She is adopted by one of the other Sunlight Sisters, and the girl, the daughter, is named as Rumi, and Rumi is now in a group named as Huntrix, who is the current modern day girl group who is taking care of this Holy Trinity stuff where they kill demons and they secure the Hanwon in the end of the day. Now, they are faced with demons when they are in their private jet eating their named ramyeon for their final concert, only to be known कि वो लोग को अगवा करके लेकर जाया जा रहा है in the private jet in its own. Meanwhile, the demon is so dumb that they are pouring hot coffee on the plants.
Yeah, that was very funny. It was like one way to be
dumb. But they sing a pop song, so good, so nice, the rapping and everything. They enter to their concert अपनी टूटी हुई private jet के द्वारा jump करके without anything, like no parachute, nothing. They're just like popping over there.
Hey, they have superpowers. Okay, you cannot judge Huntrix.
I'm not judging them. I'm just saying they are so cool. I can't even. They do that. They perform their final concert of the tour and they get going for the couch. And Rumi is super excited in securing the entire Hanwon properly. So she releases their next album, Golden, which is also a pop hit song. But meanwhile, they are celebrating Hanwon ka securing and everything. And they are on the verge of securing it like fully 100% from a 99%. There is the demon ka king, whose name is Gwari? Something. I don't know. I would name him as Guagua. So Guagua, who is played by the same guy who plays as the frontman, he is like, dude, अगर ये full on secure हो गया, मेरे तो लग जाएंगे. He doesn't have any face. It's just like a flame, a purple pink flame.
I kind of liked that thing because unlike other people, they did not go around and prophesized how a demon king would look or things like that. Or who knows, maybe it's like a thing for that.
It looks like an eternal fire, to be very honest.
Which is a very nice and different concept rather than showing like some kind of a hotshot demon king.
But we have hotshot demon K-pop boys, which comes out of nowhere. So yeah, as I mentioned, Jinu आता है, वो अपने 4 बंदे लाता है, and they are like this, like, oh, we are gonna be a K-pop demon boy group, and then we are gonna suck their souls out. Please play House of Cards in the background.
Cut the cameras.
So Rumi, she was having like this voice issue in the middle of recording a live performance, and they had to reschedule it, and she was again and again facing this issue. So they go to this like traditional doctor, जैसे homeopathy वाले जो doctor होते हैं, वैसे doctors के पास लेकर गए. And you to know, I feel homeopathy is a scam in the end of the day. That is my opinion. वो लोग जाते हैं वहां पे, वो बंदा उन लोगों को सही में स्कैम करता है with saying this voice juice is gonna help you. In the end of the day, it's a grape juice sticked with his face on it. Nevertheless, वो लोग गली से जा रहे थे, गली के अंदर वो लोग pump in करते हैं with the boy group, and there is this entire Korean drama scenario ki shalalala la la la, only for him to just like watch where you're going. Hello? Even with like Rumi, watch where you are going. तू आके टकराया, तू आके बढ़ा. Hello, hello, hello. Just my internal misandry pumping out. They go, they perform soja pop on it on the street, and then call in a bunch load of people कि आओ हमारे free concert में dance करके जाओ. It is free because they're gonna take your soul away. So there is that. Some people वो भी बेच दे for a free concert ticket, but हमें क्या ही पता, मैं कभी concert में गई नहीं.
1 minute is around the gully.
During the Soda Pop's performance, Huntrix actually gets to know that these guys are demon and a boy band in the end of the day. So that's when the rivalry starts, and by time all of the plans, tricks, and every single way of trying to stop this demon boy band from sucking more and more souls and stealing their fans just goes in vains, doesn't help. And plus Rumi is having like all of this issue regarding her voice because we are never explained why it happens and for what reason it happens, but it just happens. And because of this, Saja boys are not only stealing their fans but also charting higher on the all of the music charts and stuff, and the hormone is like literally shredded into multiple pieces. Also, there is a very intense scene between Rumi and Jinu. You guys need to see that, at least for that. Like, not for the music, but at least for that, you know, in the bathhouse, nevertheless. In the bathhouse. Bathhouse. But, as you know, there's always a happy ending, and it does ends up in a happy ending, but you do need to see it for, I would say, the story, the music, the culture, the visuals, and a lot. Like, Sony Pictures always knows what to do, especially in the animation field of it all. They know what they are doing. So you need to see this movie. I would highly recommend this movie. This is worth your time. This is worth a while. This is worth your 1 hour, 48 minutes. And you would be stuck with those songs. You would be stuck. I'm saying. I am a fan of Takedown. And the memes constantly going about Twice being the hot tricks, and if they stop touring, we are done for, just how we were in COVID. It's funny as hell, and that is so true. How is it coinciding so much? Now for some key pointers. My key pointers is that this story, even though I loved it for its storytelling, music, and everything, it has a lot of plot holes. We are never showed or portrayed or mentioned who was Rumi's father. Also, the fact what was Rumi's father and mother's story, that is also a question. And how did Sunlight Sister even let it, like, was okay with it, let it happen, or like just went with it? That fact. Plus, also a lot of the backstory of Jinu and the other 4 boy band members, that is also a huge question mark. Then one thing which was like really out of the box, which is fans actually being okay with a K-pop idol dating. That was a shocker because that only happens in fantasies or in another alternate universe, I guess. Second would be the visuals. I loved it. Like the way it was animated, it was created. It took 9 years apparently to make this even happen in the end of the day. The research, the sketches, the storyboard, the initial story which they were gonna go with. It was everything. Okay, I even saw like what was the previous sketching and initial design of these three was going to be. I'm not kind of a huge fan of it. I really like what was the end result, to be honest, because that was much more truer to what current fashion trend is, and it looks very hyper realistic. Like, हाँ ऐसा हो सकता है, क्या पता. Third, as I've mentioned it multiple times, the songs are the best, the greatest. It has been such a long while after which कि मैंने कोई ऐसा ही musical देखा है जिसके गाने इतने अच्छे that it not only resonates with you but also it's like you just can't say कि ये गाना बहुत ही बकवास है. All of the songs are so great. That's how I feel like it. Also, I would like to give my 2 cents. मेरे 2 chiller on this entire thing जो मैंने बहुत I guess 2 से ज़्यादा ही chiller दे दिए. My 2 cents is I know everyone in the fandom, in the internet is fighting ki who is who and which idol looks much more like Rumi or Mira or Zoe and stuff like that. I would just say कि it's okay to have a healthy competition कि हाँ कौन हो सकता है. Oh, they look like very visually similar to this concept of this idol. That is not fine, but like when you guys literally are fighting and like making stuff out of thin air ki like, oh, this person is taken advantage of or that person is taken advantage of. See, I'm a writer. I'm going to give my 2 cents regarding that. When you're making a character, even if the initial character design is from an individual, you not only take visual reference but also other references from multiple different people. At least 20 alag log rahenge to make one character. I can say that from my experience and what I do mostly. So people saying ki like, oh, Rumi looks like what to say, Jenny. That might be very true. Maybe they use Jenny as a marketing tactic, or maybe Jenny is like the initial inspiration. But honestly, if someone asks me, Rumi looks like CL to me, and that is a very unpopular opinion, to be honest. I don't know. Like it looks very much like that. It looks like other members of that. People some say are like one of the member looks like Cheryong or one of the member is looking like Keji. I'm not gonna say you're wrong, but I'm just gonna say those same members look very much identical to other K-pop idols I have seen, I know, and I like. But जरूरी नहीं है कि वही members हैं. क्या पता और भी 10-20 characters K-pop idols या fictitious characters even or actors were used as inspiration or like their incidences were used for it. So rather than having like an argument about it, let's just consensually decide ki like, yeah, San is Abby. That everyone can agree on, I guess. Another thing is I saw this one post where someone was saying that K-pop Demon Hunters, they stole Chinese culture and they basically culturally did not appropriate from Chinese culture properly. The scenes where they are showing like the old times or like the historical times and stuff. I'm just gonna say that just like how brown culture, it on surface looks very similar, but it is not actually similar. Like we are now bound by nationalities. Pehle it was bound by kingdoms. So whoever rules, rules. It did not have a specific nationality tagged onto it. It was just like this dynasty, that kingdom, that dynasty, this empire, this thing. So it was very natural for a different culture to interbreed into itself. Like बहुत सारे कल्चर ऐसा लगता है कि ना वो बहुत सेम है, बट वो सेम नहीं है. बिकॉज लाइक लोग अलग लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं या तो लोग अलग तरीके से कुछ कल्चरली करते हैं, बट ऊपर ऊपर से ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ वो तो बहुत सेम लग रहा है, सेम ही होगा, बट इट्स नॉट. लाइक यू कैन नॉट कंपेयर Indian culture with Arabian culture. It looks very similar on the surface, but it is actually different. So accordingly, that is my 2 cents about that. Conclusion of this would be that a lot of people are saying like there is a lot of plot holes just like me, and I also need a lot of questions answer. but necessarily I would not be waiting or wishing for a part two, or like I would not like this movie to become a franchise in very simple fact. Not because कि ये movie अच्छी नहीं थी या something else. It's just that some things are better off as standard. You don't really need to make it a franchise because the मैंने ये चीज देखी है. जैसे ही कोई चीज एक franchise बन जाती है ना, वो बहुत ही घटिया बन जाती है. Truthfully speaking. अगर प्लॉट होल्स को अगर समझाना भी है या उसका आंसर देना भी है, आई वुड लाइक द क्रिएटर्स टू आइदर answer these questions in the interview or make it so that would do as well, but I am not looking forward for a sequel. I love this movie as a standalone and that's it.
हेलो, जबरदस्ती करके बुला लिया गया है मुझे. बाय द वे, दिस इज माय कप. वी गॉट आइडेंटिटी विद माय स्पेस मिल्क.
बच्चे को दूध चाहिए बस.
प्रॉब्लम है.
So she would be giving her 2 cents because it varies very much from mine.
Yes. So my 2 cents about the entire thing will be, जैसे सीसा ने बताया, that she would not technically want another like sequel to this or a franchise. I agree about not making it as a franchise, but I would like a sequel because I need more of that beautiful animation, the songs, love it. The entire story, it was a very, according to me, it was a very running, one of the most beautiful current date के अंदर story and movie I have seen, because nowadays storytelling and everything is going so bad. I think a lot of us would agree on that one, because बहुत कम अभी ऐसी कोई movies आ रही है which has engaged me into it to watch it or something. So I would, if they make it a good, I am not saying it should. I understand why you're coming from, you don't want another sequel or a franchise about it. But yeah, as a person who has seen it at this point for 3 times, yeah, that's how obsessed I got with the movie, because it's so running, it's so over there, it's not unnecessary. उसमें कोई भी type के emotions को elongate किया है. It's a very quick thing. चीजें दिखाई है जैसे एक normal phase में होती है. And I also liked that they did not made Rumi have all this cry about how Genu left or things. No, it's not a very
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Oh, sorry. Did not want to give ठीक है ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी. Spoiler जाके देख लो. I would like another sequel, just one movie, not make it on a 10 seasons long sort of thing. Would like so that they tie up the knots, because I like visual storytelling more than always just reading. Because see, no offense, I am a bookworm. I love reading books. She knows that factor for a very long thing. But ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था, मुझे अच्छा लगा बिकॉज वो लोग ना अननेसेसरी चीजें नहीं डाली थी. तो आई एम होपिंग इफ दे मेक अ सीक्वल दे हैव प्लान्ड इट, बिकॉज I think they made it for 9 years something. They have planned this. So according to me, like a sequel, but let us know what you guys think. I am winding up.
हमारी प्यारी little Raven ने spoilers देने के बाद जो भी बोला, it doesn't matter. वैसे भी तो लोगों को spoilers बहुत ही मिल चुका है, तो हम दे नहीं दे क्या फर्क पड़ता है. In the end of the day, a lot of things were changed which people were mad about, but I wasn't. I was like, this is true storytelling. I am a person who also supports gay storytelling, because see, I am a sucker for pain. मुझे पसंद है जहाँ पे जिंदगी की डैश 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 दिखाया जाता है. सॉरी, हम गाली नहीं दे सकते, डिमोनेटाइज हो सकता है.
चलो होने से पहले ही दुकान.
हाँ. तो इसके लिए I'm just gonna say, well, watch this movie for the visuals, song, storytelling, and for something new. I would enjoy this franchise भी अगर इसको बनाना है, if it would come in a manga, manhwa, or maybe an anime or something like that would do well with me, but not another movie or a sequel. And if you make a sequel, that becomes a franchise, just so you know.
मुझे 50 मूवी नहीं चाहिए, मुझे एक और चाहिए just to tie ratings. That's it. That's my thing.
I don't think so.
Come for me.
I don't think so. I think it's like a way bigger universe kind of a thing which we got a glimpse of in this movie. तो अगर उन लोगों को wrap up भी करना पड़ा, तो they have to make multiple things in order to tie this whole thing up in a nice simple. But then corporate greed is another thing which we live for. So, you never know. But मेरे बोलने से क्या ही फर्क पड़ेगा, because I think a lot of people do want a sequel, but I'm much more of a thing I don't. So there is that, and आज का कॉफी एंड रिव्यू यही समाप्त करते हैं. फिर मिलेंगे किसी और दिन, किसी और जगह, किसी और वक्त,
कौन सी किसी
समय।
और जगह पे जाने वाली, यही आने वाली वापस वही बदलेंगी, बस खुद को बदलेंगी और शायद टॉपिक दूसरा होगा।
Then our hearts collide
मुझे पिज्जा खाने जाना है, बाय।
Whispers in the dark, every beat ignites a spark. Lost in time, we're